Today we would like to introduce BEG's DALI LINK to you. DALI LINK is a powerful lighting control system for DALI luminaires. It is based on BEG's DALI LINK technology, which you may already be familiar with. And it's a good solution especially for small projects and retrofitting. DALI LINK has a modular structure and can be easily expanded. Let's have a look at the content of our DALI LINK starter set. The DALI LINK starter set is for individual offices or conference rooms. For example, consists of a power supply, a PD11 multi-sensor occupancy detector, and a 4-way push-button interface with integrated Bluetooth gateway. First we put the box aside and start with the PD11 DALI LINK. With its super flat appearance, the PD11 occupancy detector is the first choice when it comes to design. The very low installation height of only 8 mm is outstanding. Despite the flat lens, it offers a large detection range of up to 9 meters in a diameter, which is perfectly sufficient for most applications. Further detectors can be installed if required. Guided light function through the use of additional DALI LINK PD11 sensors. The guided light function is particularly suitable for use in corridors and stairwells. In adjacent areas, the light is dimmed to a high level, which ensures better orientation. The parallel operation of detectors means that the lighting at individual workstations can be controlled separately. When changing the room structure, it is possible to reconfigure the device via the app. New wiring is not necessary. The DALI power supply is used to power the sensors and the DALI ballasts or the DALI LED drivers. The DALI LINK power supply included in the starter set can supply large rooms with up to 25 luminaires. If there is a higher demand, an additional power supply can simply be connected in parallel, increasing the number of connectable electronic ballasts to up to 50. The compact power supply is usually installed in the suspended ceiling, hidden or directly in the luminaire. The 4 push-button inputs of the push-button module can be configured individually to either call up scenes, up to a maximum of 16, or to control lighting groups directly. Scenes can be conventionally called up via the DALI LINK app directly using a smartphone. Alternatively, scenes can be called up using the push buttons connected to the push-button interface. As all components are connected via single wiring, retrofitting is considerably simplified. This means that any existing wiring can be used for the DALI bus. The central platform for programming and operating all functions is the free DALI LINK app. Prerequisite is an Android or iOS device with integrated Bluetooth interface. The DALI LINK app is started. The device is paired with the Bluetooth button. The password is changed for security reasons. The configuration is enabled with the enclosed QR code. The devices are now addressed at random. We want to divide the existing lamps in 2 groups, so we assign group IDs to the devices and name them. This may take a while. Now the devices are sorted. . Finally, we set the desired parameters for the devices individually. This was a brief introduction to BEG's DALI LINK system. More interesting products on our YouTube channel under BEG Brick Electronic GmbH.